Hello everyone, I got some artificial leaf from factory. So today I will use them to make a table runner. Normally we will use this flower bowl and the flower foam to make the table runner. Even you are using a fresh flower, you can use this. But since our table is small, so I will use this slim flower chain to make the table runner. So the size of the flower foam depends on the size of the table. Okay, let's insert some leaf. Look, use our leaf, different leaf and our short stem. You can use long stem if you want the runner large, wider. Okay, just insert on the foam. Okay then, let's put other type of leaf. The leaf not fits the stem very well, so if you want to buy it, consider acceptable or not. Okay, let's insert the leaf. And then this type. And now this type of leaf. There's no rule about how to arrange the leaf and flowers. You just insert and adjust until satisfied will be okay. Look, adjust until satisfied. Okay then, this leaf. Okay, and then our old leaf. And now, this type of leaf. Also put on our stem. Okay, look, it's still not full enough. So I need to put more leaf. So let's try different leaf. Just cover the flower foam will be okay. Look, and we have this type of leaf. Also put on the stem. Okay, almost complete. Let's put it on the desk and then let's adjust it. First of all, let's take a white fabric, just a fabric. And let's put it on the table. Okay, look, just a simple table. Okay, and then put on our table runner. Okay then, let's put on our candle holder. Look, the greenery not full enough, so we need to put more green leaf and adjust the effect. Look, since I want to put the glasses in this place, so I have to adjust like this. And also, this is glassy, so we need to adjust. Put more leaf to cover the foam. Since our stand is short, if we want to make the leaf longer, taller, we can use our long stand. Look, the long stand. So to make the difference. Okay, almost completed. Let's put on our tableware and then check the effect. Since our table very small, not large enough, so the come out may be not good. But our idea is cool for the wedding table. Okay, almost complete. Let's put in some water on the glass and candle, then check the whole effect. Okay, completed. Let's check the whole effect. Let's check it as we are sitting on the table. Check it from top. From this side. And from this side. Okay. Like this. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Bye.